welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install VirtualBox onto your Mac computer. This is going to be the same kind of process as for Windows, but there's a few things differently that you need to do. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my video. And of course, stay safe, like always. Alright, let's get started. So first you're going to want to open up a web browser. If you guys haven't seen my video already of the GIF background for Google Chrome, then go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll probably leave a little thumbnail here or something like that. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to go to Google, of course, our best friend, and then we're going to want to hit VirtualBox. From here, hit the first link. Hit the first link. Got ahead of myself there. And here is VirtualBox. It's going to give you a little intro, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to want to download VirtualBox 6.1. Okay, so if you have a Windows computer, you're going to want to hit Windows Hosts. And then here you'll see exe, yada, yada, yada. But I'm not using a Windows computer, I'm using a Mac. So for this one, I'm going to hit OS X Hosts. So I'm going to put it where I'm going to find it, which is going to be on my desktop. It's perfect. I'm going to let that download. While we're waiting, guys, don't forget to comment if you have any troubles, or if you guys have any suggestions, any other videos that you want to see. Drop a comment in the comment section. Okay. Oh, I don't really need this. Okay. So from here, we're just going to X, and then we're going to find it through here. Double click. We're going to let it verify. Okay, so you're going to be prompted with this kind of screen. For Windows, it's completely different. I'll show you guys in another video. But again, like I said, it's the same kind of process. Okay, so it's going to tell us step 1, double click on this icon, which we're going to double click. Say continue, continue, install. Password, and it's going to install the software. From here, while we're waiting, might as well look at what step 2 is. Step 2 is just, it's going to tell us to go to the application folder, which we can click there. It's actually going pretty fast, which is great, and it's done just like that. You can close that. And it might even start up by itself. Can't guarantee it. Here also, I should mention user manual, and then also here's a VirtualBox uninstall tool. Okay, so clearly it's not gonna uninstall. Start up by itself. So we're gonna throw that in the trash. We're gonna undo that. We're going to go to applications. 1 second. Applications. And then through here, we're going to want to find it. And there it is. And start it up. And there you go. You have a nice fresh VM VirtualBox from Oracle. Great system. Love it. Use it all the time in my computer engineering. network engineering courses. That's great. All right, that's it for that. Thanks for watching, guys. And also, I'm going to be showing on my next video how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. This is How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.